Hello everyone, if you need to access your Danske Bank account in Denmark, we're going to show you the easiest way to log in online. So simply start by heading over to the Danske Bank Denmark website. So in the top right corner, you will then be able to see a login button. So simply click that. And once you do, you then get a list of options like personal e-banking, digital sign-in, business, district e-banking, one trader, and a few other services. So for this video, we're going to go with personal e-banking, since that's what most personal account holders will use to manage everyday banking. So once you select personal e-banking, you then need to log in with your name ID or MIT ID. So that's Denmark's secure digital ID systems. So simply enter your user ID, password, and the verification code from your name ID or MIT ID app. So this extra step keeps your account safe and secure. And after entering your details, simply click login and you'll then be taken straight to your online account dashboard. From there, you'll then be able to check your balances, make payments, view statements, and manage your banking securely from anywhere. And that's it. So logging into your account is simple once you know which login option to choose. So if this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.